Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my new car baby monitor camera. This one is from Luckview. Kind of looks like an iPhone, but it's actually a car camera. So I have it currently placed right here, and it's not quite mounted yet because I'm actually going to be putting a dash mount on her. But for the time being, this is where I have it. It actually stays pretty well into this 4runner socket right here. This is a 1080p. It is actually a 5.3 inch screen, so it is quite big compared to a lot of car monitors out there. It does come with a built-in SD card that you guys can see right here. And that allows for basically a continuous recording. So if you capture some special moments with your infant, you're actually able to download it and take a look at it if you need to. I'm gonna briefly show you guys the range. It has a pretty wide range here. I believe it's 170 inch or 170 degree wide inch or view. So again, you guys can see here all the way to the front seat. I'm going to show you guys how I have it actually angled, but it is a pretty wide coverage. Once the baby is actually old enough and I'm turning the seat over, I can remount the camera right onto the back of the headrest, and I'm going to be able to see both passengers on the back. So it is pretty wide as far as the range and view. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 3 buttons right here. So it's pretty easy to navigate, just 3 simple buttons. This is going to be at the brightness. I have it on high. You can have it on low, medium. I like it on high. Click back the middle button. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. You can go ahead and reset the functions. You can format your card. You can go ahead and zoom in. So let's see the zoom. Oops. So let's go back. Zoom. You can click that. There's a 3x zoom if you want a close look at the baby. A 2 or a 1. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep it at 2. I like the way that the 2 looks. Lastly, you can also mirror this if you need to. So if you like the other direction, that's fine. That seems awkward to me, so I'm going to keep it the normal positioning there. So that's how it looks. It also has a pretty cool night mode that you're able to actually see some color with it. So I really like that. It is pretty high definition. It is very, very thin, as you guys can see right there. Has a swivel in the back, so you guys can actually adjust this to different heights. And as I mentioned, 3M tape, so that you can stick this onto any soft or any solid surface. I have it currently ran down here. I have these wire tuckers that I use to hold the wires down tight, and I'm using the cigarette outlet here. And you can easily turn this on and off by pressing that button. It'll turn it off in case you're not monitoring your baby. If you want to keep it on or just want to turn it on, you just simply press that and it turns on. Now, I have this ran underneath here of my vehicle. I'm going to clean that up a little bit, but I basically just have it ran here. We have it down through here, through the side panel. Let's go to the back. I have it tucked in here, and I have it up here. So the mount that is included does come with a grommet set that you're able to actually attach on here to different sizes. So certain vehicles like American cars have a thicker stem. So there is a rubber grommet that you're able to attach to this camera so that it will fit there nicely. So I have it positioned right here because I have the baby seat quite high, and that gives me a really good angle down there. So I really like this positioning. And if you turn this, you can actually swivel this around 180 degrees or 360 degrees, so you can capture different angles to it. But I have it set like this, and this is the way I have it mounted. I'm basically using the little plastic clip, and I have it tucked into the little area where you can move your headrest up and down. I really like that. I really like this position out of everything, so this is the way I have it set. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll catch you guys on the next one, guys.